If you're comparing DreamHost and Liquid Web for VPS hosting, you're probably wondering which one delivers better speed, reliability, and overall value. The answer isn't as simple as you might think, and there are some key differences you need to know before making a decision. Stick around, because by the end, you'll not only know which is better for your needs, but also discover a superior alternative with a free trial through our exclusive link in the description. First, let's talk about performance. VPS hosting is all about speed and uptime, and both DreamHost and Liquid Web promise great results. DreamHost offers SSD storage, unlimited bandwidth, and a 100% uptime guarantee, but here's the catch: real-world uptime reports show occasional dips, and the performance isn't always consistent under heavy loads. Liquid Web, on the other hand, is known for its high-performance VPS with NVMe SSDs and dedicated resources, making it one of the fastest options available. However, it comes at a much higher price point. Next, ease of use. DreamHost is more beginner-friendly, with an intuitive dashboard and easy setup. But their control panel is custom-built, meaning it lacks the familiarity of cPanel or Plesk, which some users might prefer. Liquid Web, on the other hand, offers both cPanel and Interworks, giving more flexibility for experienced users, but that also means a steeper learning curve if you're not familiar with those interfaces. The third thing, customer support. Liquid Web brands itself as having heroic support, and honestly, it delivers. You get 24/7 support with fast response times and knowledgeable agents. DreamHost does offer support, but live chat is limited to business hours unless you pay extra, and response times can be hit or miss. If top-tier support is a priority, Liquid Web is clearly the better option. Pricing is where things get interesting. DreamHost is the more budget-friendly choice, with VPS plans starting at a much lower price. It's great for small businesses or personal projects that don't need ultra-high performance. Liquid Web, while significantly more expensive, justifies its price with premium features and performance that's ideal for larger businesses or resource-intensive applications. If cost is your main concern, DreamHost wins here, but if you want raw power, Liquid Web is worth considering. The last thing, scalability and extra features. Both providers allow you to scale resources as your website grows, but Liquid Web gives you more control over server configurations and security features. DreamHost is more limited in that aspect, making it less ideal for businesses that expect rapid growth. So, which is better? If you're looking for affordability and ease of use, DreamHost is a solid choice. If you need top-tier performance and support, Liquid Web is superior, but at a much higher cost. That said, after testing all these VPS hosting options, I found an even better alternative that balances performance, affordability, and ease of use. If you're serious about getting the best VPS hosting for your needs, check out the first link in the description. Through our exclusive link, you'll get the best free trial and special benefits only available to our viewers. Try it out and see the difference for yourself.